All right, which ordered pair is the solution of the equation y equals 3x? Well, how do we find this out? Well, we're going to test it out. We're going to say we're going to put a y value in there, we're going to put an x value in there, and if it works out, it's a solution. So let's take the first one, a. We're going to say, careful, don't do this. Don't. No, don't do this. -2 and -9. Okay? Why? Because -2 is the x value. That's the one that's first. So that should be going there. And this is the y value, and that should be going where y was, there. Don't put the first thing first and the second thing second. It's just not how that's not how you do it. Okay? You've got to pay attention to which variables you're replacing and replace them correctly. So, what is y? -9. What is x? -2. And this simplifies out to be -9 equals -6. And that's false. So it's not A. And I'm just going to use this space again and try it out for each one here. So rewriting it over and over. Let's try B. Okay. -8 for x. -18 for y. So then you get -18 equals -24. Nope. False. False statement. So that can't be a solution. Continuing on, we try -8 and -3. -8 for x, -3 for y, and we get -3 equals -24. That is not true. False statement. Cross it out. And one more we're going to test out is -10, -30, -10 for x, -30 for y. This is -30, and 3 times -10 is -30. Hurrah! We found it. D is the answer.